In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Prezi for education. Now, if you're looking to enhance your teaching methods with engaging and interactive presentations, you're in the right place. Let's start by opening Prezi and clicking on the option to start a new presentation. Prezi is an incredibly versatile tool, and the first step sets the foundation for an exciting educational experience. Once you've opened a new presentation, it's time to select a template. Prezi offers a variety of education-themed templates specifically designed for teaching and learning, making it easier to plan your lesson structure. These templates are built to engage students and help you organize information logically. Choose one that fits the tone and objectives of your lesson plan, whether you're teaching history, science, or arts. With your template in hand, you'll want to add a main topic. This will serve as the anchor for your presentation. Think of it as the root of a tree from which all other information branches out. Enter your lesson title or subject here. Make sure it's clear and precise, as this is what your students will see first. Next, build out your presentation by creating subtopics. These are like the branches of your educational tree. Consider breaking the subject matter into objectives, key concepts, examples, and activities. This segmentation helps in maintaining a logical flow and ensures that your students can follow along easily. It's an effective way to ensure all your main points are covered without overwhelming your audience. To enhance understanding, insert images, videos, diagrams, and definitions throughout your presentation. Multimedia elements can make complex ideas more accessible and retain students' attention. Whether it's a video demonstration or a diagram illustrating a scientific process, these elements can clarify and reinforce learning. Aim to choose visuals that directly support the concepts you're teaching. Adding color coding or icons is another way to highlight important information. This helps to emphasize key points in your lesson and aids memory retention. For instance, using a consistent color for all actionable items or key terms will make them stand out, allowing students to easily identify the critical parts of your content. Icons can also serve as visual cues, guiding your audience through the flow of information. Finally, arrange the zoom paths to guide students through the lesson in a clear sequence. This involves setting the order in which students will view each topic and subtopic. It's important to arrange these paths logically, ensuring that the presentation flows smoothly from one section to the next. This sequence not only helps in guiding your audience, but also in emphasizing the progressive buildup of knowledge. And that's how you create a Prezi for education. By following these steps, you're well on your way to delivering dynamic and organized lessons that will captivate and educate your students. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.